Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to create a BandLab account. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in bandlab.com. After that, you just need to go and of course now check out what we have in front of us. So the future of music here today, make music anytime, anywhere, connect with millions, release your tracks and engage with fans. Keep 100% of your earnings. So here in the top right corner, we have the product, app, blog, and of course, the thing that we want in this video, log in and the sign up. So to create your account, of course, you need to click on the sign up rather than log in the top right corner. Then after that, of course, you need to go and create an account. So first of all, you need to put in your name. Then you need to put in your email. So the name that I'm putting here is not my real name. It is just for the sake of this video. And then you just need to go and type in your password and click sign up when you put all of these information. Now, of course, you'll need to go and do this so they don't think that you're a robot. When you do that, click confirm and your account will then be, as you can see, immediately created. Here you can go and set up your profile, so with your username and a lot of more things. So as you can see, which you can just click on continue and just tell them what you actually are and why you have of course made this this profile of course. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. That will be guys everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this channel. Till then, bye guys.